Hey guys, I will teach you conjunctions in this video. What is conjunctions? Conjunctions are joining words. Also called linkers. They are used to join words, groups of words, phrases and sentences. Today we will learn and, but, or, because. And we are used as coordinating conjunctions of addition between two things. Two names. For an example, Sia and Tia are best friends. Next, Preet bought a dress and a pair of shoes. Use of but. It is also used as the coordinating conjunctions of contrast. For an example, Ridhima is tall but thin. He is rich but very miser. It's mean वो बहुत अमीर है लेकिन फिर भी बहुत कंजूस है. Use of or, they express a choice between two options. For an example, would you like to carry an umbrella or a raincoat? Next, is he happy or sad? Use of because, which is telling for a reason. For an example, Gaurav cannot go out because the gate is locked. Nikita is happy because her sister is here.